Hello friends and welcome back to Brothers. We're continuing our adventure. We are covered in blood. Looks like we're going to leave some footprints. Well, it's been about a week since I've played this, so it's going to take me a minute to probably get back into how we do this. Usually I record in kind of batches, bulk, if you will. Oh, it's gonna get rinsed off here, hopefully. Yep. Good. Yeah, is there some kind of army down here? I don't know if they're just training or just getting amped. This fucking guy's got a skull. Uh-oh. We got a chick. Lady in distress. What are they gonna do? Sacrifice this lady? Guess we're gonna have to do something to stop this. Let's do it. Let's save her. Are these people gonna be our size or are they giant? I can't really tell from here. I don't know if these are like some of the bodies we were just climbing around or what. Guess we'll find out soon enough. Going that way? Okay. Lady definitely sounds distressed. I don't think anything good's gonna happen to her down there. Uh-oh. Oh shit, we're just gonna walk in on this shit. This seems like a terrible fucking idea. Are they pissed? What are they doing? They aren't gonna fuck with us? Well, at least they're just our size. What are you doing? Get her down.
Yeah.
Fuck you, bro. Dude, we gotta help this lady. We can't just leave her. Okay. I'm surprised they don't, like, try and fuck us up. Doesn't seem like I can do anything to her. Oh shit! Alright, I guess if I get close to them, they do cut me down. What the fuck? Oh. Oh. There we go. I didn't see this before. Bad camera angle. We're gonna walk up there and scare the shit out of them. This is like, I don't know, some kind of representative of their god or something. God, I keep thinking they're gonna come at me. Let's see if we can go up here and just cut her down. Get her, little man. Yeah, there we go. Run, bitch, run! Oh, now they're gonna be pissed. They're gonna be pissed. They're gonna be pissed. Fuck y'all. We out. Covered in blood again. Alright. Well, that was kind of strange. She's still hauling ass. Let's go. Where are you taking us? We got a boat? Go for a ride?
Mahamida.
Araba.
Iya dahi.
Maybe she knows where we're going?
Mabi here.
You didn't even look at my map. Bitch. Not cool. Give me this ore.
Yeah.
No? Get in the boat. You coming? Come on, lady. Let's do this shit. Oh fuck. How do I dodge this shit? No. Okay. Oh god. There we go. Yep. 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 Oh, to the left. To the left. To the left. There we go. There we go. Now we're cruising. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. More of the blood pouring down. I still don't know what the hell killed all those giants and shit. Is this where we're going? Ow. Apparently not. It's not wanting me to turn that way. Maybe... God, it's hard to control this thing. Aha. Through here. Uh-oh. I'm not liking what I'm seeing in here. I see some dudes. Oh well, we're going for it. Too late to turn back now. Oh yeah, more tribal fucks. Behind the curtain, achieve. This must have just been like a little extra bonus thing. Yep. Definitely do not want to fuck with those guys. Let's get the hell out of here. Ow. Here we go. Now we're making progress. Turn a little bit. There we go. This thing is really hard to control. Okay, there we go. Starting to get the hang of it. Oh fuck, what is that under there? Oh my god. That's not what I wanted to see. Oh shit. Oh shit. It's fucking Shamu. He's hungry. Oh shit. Alright. Oh god. Oh god, where is he? I see him. Fuck. Oh! Haul ass! Haul ass! Oh god, he's right below me. There's more than one! Oh no! Ooh. Go, go! Floor it! Floor it! Oh no. Oh no. Fuck! Fuck you, Shamu. No! Alright. Looks like we just take our time. Go little by little. We'll be alright, so just stay ahead of us. Oh shit. Oh shit. Alright, we're okay. Let's get the hell out of here. More of these things. I think I'd just get out of this boat and go on foot. And hell, the shore's right there. Sure, it's icy, but fuck these. Oh no! Where are you coming? Oh no! Me back, the waves. Is that where we're going up there? This looks like a place we can get off of here. Oh, piss! I'm gonna get hit! Oh! Fucking belly flopped on me. Shit. It's alright. These assholes. Nope! see this thing start coming up, just pump the brakes. Like now. This fucking shark week up in here. Oh god. Flying sharks. Oh fuck you! Wherever the hell that is. Seal Island.
Araba!
I think we're okay. I think we're okay. Yep. Let's go. Let's go. Whew. Alright. Not too bad. Get this thing on the shore. Thanks for the lift there, lady. She's doing the muscle work. Whew! Alright. Oh, that's cool. I like how I can see the footprints. It's neat looking. Oh god, this is... Ooh. Oh. Oh, it's slippery. Oh god, look at me. Oh, you asshole. Can't get any traction. Wait up, lady. Alright. Where are we going? Where are you taking us anyway? What in the hell is that? Looks like something from the land before time. What are we gonna do? Ride on this damn thing? What was that to the right down there? I saw something. Oh well, I'm gonna come back now. We're good.
Ota!
Come on, little man. Where the fuck did she go? Did she climb this? Shit. Damn, lady. Oh! Almost fucked that up. Where in the hell are we going?
Otai!
The tree?
Kaya?
What do you want me to do here?
Ata!
Lishula? Iya! Dia na
Shoo me, woman.
Di mabu,
Yo-yo.
Malia.
Oh, she likes him. Fucking bitch. What do I tell with you then? What are these guys? These like frozen people? What in the hell? Oh. Oh, a saw. Can I cut this down? We can do that. Do some lumberjacking. I'll watch Axemen. I know what up. Okay. Oh, we gotta take this thing down to this one. We can do that.
Puna!
Yeah.
Otai!
I gotcha. I gotcha. I'm cutting this the right way.
Kaya? Puna!
This is awesome.
Otai!
Oh shit!
Kaya?
Alright. Damn, this lady don't screw around. Little man going backwards. Good job, fucking bee. You're cool. That lady just freaking scooted across there. What next? This lady's gotta be cold. We all gotta be cold. Freaking sleeveless. It's no good. More frozen dudes.
Puna!
What now?
Otay!
Up here. What the hell?
Da!
What? I'm gonna push this thing? Sorry, snowman. Oh shit, it launched! Where you?
Atu!
Where the hell you?
Ata!
Raba!
Get the big man on this. You want me to launch you? Holy shit! Gonna bring the little man over now or something? Alright. Let's do it. That's awesome. Not sure how a person would survive something like that, but hey, whatever. Oh shit, now we're separated. Oh, fuck. I'm not liking what I'm hearing. Oh my god, it's invisible. What in the fuck is that? Okay, well I'm gonna end this video here. Next time we will take on this invisible beast. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!